Good morning, my Paris. Good morning to you all. Blessed Jamaican Monday morning from my Jamaican dining room to wherever you are, to your office, to where you're there, in a laundry room, you pick up ties. What are you doing? You're home, you're on the road, or you're on the job. Good morning from Jamaican Debbie Debs and camera girl behind the camera. Can you say good morning?
Good morning.
I'm sure them outside all the morning is bright and pretty. Bright and pretty Monday morning with in my dining room, looking out, and of course I'm doing some work. I'm going to my computer and I'm gonna address my comments. You know, I always answer my comments, probably not on time every time, but I do address them within 24 to 48 hours the most. And I'm going on the road. I'm gonna sort out some paperwork thing for some things I'm pursuing and all of that. So I am at home, I am at work, I have some things to be doing, and I'll be going on the road. Me alone. If I did me and camera girl, I'll take you along with us. But don't worry yourself about the road business. The road business is gonna come so often. And yesterday was Sassy Sophia's birthday. Sassy Sophia, please forgive me. I am so sorry. I never remember a thing. Now this whole purple and thing and all them something there. How could I forget your birthday, girl? I'm so sorry. So Sassy Sophia, happy belated birthday to you from Jamaican Debbie Debs. And all of you all who are on the Debbie Debs train, who don't know Sassy Sophia in the comment section, please to send her a belated birthday wish. Please type it in the comment section. I know you will. Hold behind. So camera girl, once more make you your name, but they know your name. Sophia, Sassy Sophia's birthday.
Happy belated birthday, Sassy Sophia. Yeah.
You don't know Sassy Sophia's name? No ramp with her, you know. Sassy, I hope you had a good one. I'm sorry, girl, but never better late than never. You're a good girl. Yeah, man. So you all, I'm just saying good morning. I'm just checking in. Hope everything is okay. Hope you have some Sunday Monday. You know what Sunday Monday is, y'all? Yeah, Jamaican people know that. What leave back from yesterday dinner, we'll add it up for dinner later. Hope you don't have with no cooking. No, sir. You left back from yesterday Monday. I eat we add up for dinner later. Not true. Who not like it can go and go cook a pot. So it's just a little checking in. Good morning to you all video. And I just forgot Sophia's birthday. I had to do something to make it up to her. So you all who are having a birthday, she told me from long ago, but I just forgot to this whole champs thing. Sassy Sophia, I know you accept my apology. Good girl you are. So, you know you all on the Jamaican Debbie Debs train. You don't know for everything already, you know. Never let the evil around you take control of you. Stay on top of things. Bless.